Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Carbon monoxide, CO, is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, and toxic gas. Smoking a cigarette, idling a gasoline engine, and burning fuel oil, wood, kerosene, natural gas, and propane all produce CO. CO is the product of incomplete combustion.
Make your mark, take our lead.
For example, a propane leak, as many homeowners mistakenly think that a carbon monoxide detector will find and announce a propane problem. Unfortunately, that's not the case. Even if propane is leaking into a home, a carbon monoxide detector isn't the proper tool to warn you of this danger.
Let's help you make your mark.
Carbon monoxide poisoning from natural gas or propane use are much worse, averaging more than 15 deaths per month, and that's just from appliances that have fixed gas piping. Factor in the deaths from portable devices and vehicles, like RVs, boats, grills and barbecues, and more than twice that many people are killed.
Take our lead.
As CO levels increase and remain above 70 ppm, symptoms become more noticeable and can include headache, fatigue and nausea. At sustained CO concentrations above 150 to 200 ppm, disorientation, unconsciousness, and death are possible.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.